How to cancel Roblox app premium subscription. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, firstly, launch your Roblox application in your device. Make sure it is up to date and you are logged in into your account. If you have subscribed for the Roblox app premium and you want to cancel it, it is pretty simple. Head over to More and select on the membership option. From here, you will get to see the unsubscribe button. Just tap on it to unsubscribe. Select on confirmation. By this way, you'll be able to easily cancel the subscription. If not, tap open your Play Store. Now make sure that you are logged in from the Google account you have installed your Roblox. Tap on the user icon and head to Payments and Subscription and select Subscription. If you have subscribed to your Roblox Premium, you will find it right here and just click on unsubscribe and confirm to it like previously. By this way, you'll be able to unsubscribe or cancel your Roblox app premium subscription. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, check out the help and support of Roblox. That's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.